The time to be early in this crypto market is definitely closing. And if you're not taking advantage of what is happening in the market right now, you're screwing yourself for the future. Let's get right into this. So we have huge amounts of liquidations that just happened, around $500 million, like $500 million of liquidations for longs over the past 24 hours. And so there was $253 million within that first hour of it dropping from 44,000 to 41,000 or whatever. And there was $221 million of longs liquidated in just 5 minutes during that time. So people got crushed. And guys, like I say this over and over again in this space, don't be over leveraged. Like whales are going to play around with you. If you do that, you're swimming with sharks and you're going to get crushed, as these people have gotten crushed. Now, there's a lot of people saying, okay, we're going to, be hitting all-time highs late 2024, early 2025, sometime around then. Here's my thoughts on this is I don't think these people are thinking correctly. Think about this. Last November, we bottomed around 15,500 and it's taken just over a year to get to $45,000 pretty much. And keep in mind, as the bull market continues and ramps up, the supply is going to be sucked away, which is going to increase the price of Bitcoin. This is what people don't understand. So that is why, for me, if you're a part of our CT club at learningcrypto.com, you will know that I've been preaching. I think our all-time highs are going to happen much, much sooner than most people think. And especially it shows with the amount of Bitcoin available right now, and especially with the ETF that is right around the corner. We only have about $27,000 to go till we reach all-time highs. And if you understand a little bit of market psychology, I'll go over these crazy dips back in 2017, 2018, all right? During that parabolic rise that we had in that full bull market back in 2017, 2018, we had the first correction was 38%. The next correction was 38%. The next correction was 33%. The next correction was 38%. The next one at 36%, and then the last one before the blow off top was 29%. This is how a bull market works. And if you notice, if you go back to a graph or whatever, you'll notice the slope becomes vertical. So this is where we are in this stage. Like it's not going to take, in my opinion, if we're in a bull market, which I definitely think we are in a bull market, it's not going to take another from like year to get close to all-time highs. Just not going to happen, guys. Like we have a spot ETF coming out. We have a Bitcoin halving coming up. We have a lot of stuff happening right now. And these dips that we are experiencing right now, I think they're going to be more and more shallow because there's just no supply out there. There's Franklin Templeton, we have BlackRock, we have Fidelity, we have all of these corporations trying to get as much Bitcoin as possible. We have Cathie Wood selling her Coinbase shares and everything just to get some Bitcoin. This is where we are at right now. So big boys, big players are playing this game. It is all a game. And it's a game of pretty much getting the last bit of supply in Bitcoin. This is going to be a crazy bull market. And once again, we have been killing it. If you are part of our CT club at learningcrypto.com, you know we are killing it. If you want to sign up, link is below. Anyways, please like and subscribe. And remember, don't be over leveraged, right? Please don't do that because you're going to get smashed. There's very few traders out there that actually make a killing out there. Most people, I would say 95 to 98% of traders out there lose money over the long run. And if you want proof of this, the best wallets, the best performing wallets are the ones from people that have either died or lost their keys. That says a lot. Anyways, that's all I have. Talk to you soon.